So when people are cooking for the holidays, they'll often finish cooking the bird first, and then they'll put something else in the oven that needs to bake for a while. So what are some food safety things that we need to think about when we're talking about having a turkey or a chicken that's sitting out on the counter for a while before dinner is served?
So as I'm planning my meal, I want to make sure that I get my bird cooked as close to mealtime as possible, so it's not sitting out there very long. We have a situation from a safety standpoint where there might be spores that survive the cooking process that can grow at room temperature after I've cooked it and it's sitting there. So really, I want to make sure that we're eating within a couple hours. The other situation that I think about in planning is I want to do a lot of pre-cooking beforehand, like things like potatoes or sweet potatoes or beets or Brussels sprouts, whatever it is. I can cook those beforehand and then just warm them up as the turkey is resting at room temperature. It's really hard to cook this big turkey and then start the preparation on the other ones. It'll really throw my timing off.